system is very good. The performance of the aircraft is commendable. Of course, the gimbal as well, in terms of what we need it for. First and foremost, the training for every platform, it's always needed. So for this operation, knowing the aircraft, knowing the capabilities, knowing everything about the system is essential for the whole operation. We want the operation to be a success, so we need everybody to be hands-on and to know what to do at every given point in time.
But operationally wise, yes, they will be autonomous. After this training is completed in Nigeria, which will soon be done, they'll be able to operate the system by themselves.